What the heck is a buyer pitch teardown? It's essentially a panel of your buyers reviewing startup tools that they might consider purchasing. Here's an example of a panel that we have coming up. These are VPs of engineering who are going to be reviewing dev tools. We also do this for other sectors like marketing executives reviewing MarTech tools. So my goal for this event is twofold. I want to help you break the ice with these panels. Whether your startup is selected to be reviewed live or not, it's an excuse to reach out on LinkedIn and say, hey, I attended the event. Thanks for your feedback. Check out my tool. Second, I want to help you get deeper insights in how they evaluate tools. So if it's your tool being reviewed or something else, we're going to get really deep questions about frictions, pains, concerns that they have are in the buying process so that you can have a better chance of getting them to buy your tool. The process is super simple. You apply, and the most important part is that you apply with your solution statement. This is going to be the thing that we review to get to those 15 startups that are going to be reviewed live. And then we take these solution statements, similar to Product Hunt, and we show these to the buyers live. This is going to be what they actually review during the event. So once we get those top 15, this is an example. We'll have them on the screen in sets of 5, and the buyers are going to narrow down their favorite one. But in talking about each one of the different solutions, we're going to be asking questions like, is this specific one is this problem in your top 3 priorities that you need to solve? How are you currently solving this now? What are your biggest concerns for implementing this? What's the cost of doing nothing? What's the biggest draw to piloting? These kind of deep questions so that whether it's your tool being reviewed or not, you're getting a lot of deep insights. Finally, we want to keep a lot of time for Q&A. We're going to be doing a Slido type format Q&A so you can ask specific questions and upvote that so you can further get that access to the panel, and we can do this in a scalable way. And finally, we're going to send a list of everyone who applied to the panel. So you can have that excuse like, hey, we reached out, we attended the event, and as you saw, we're on the list that you sent of applications, whether or not you got selected for the top 15. Expectations, have no expectation you're going to get selected, no guarantee they're going to buy your tool, but you're going to learn a lot and you're going to get insights into how they think so you can accelerate your go-to-market strategy, adapt your product, and further break the ice to get big name logos. Thank you for listening. Boom.